Hello everybody. Now we'll discuss regarding the preferred series. What is the use of the preferred series and why it is important in the design engineering to use the preferred series. A design product generally needs a standardization. What does it mean? That a product cannot be manufactured as per the wish of the manufacturer. It has to be accompanied or it has to be fulfilled some of the standards. For example, I am manufacturing a bike having a spark plug of size of my own wish. That spark plug may not be available in the market. Now, if such a conditions are available, then we cannot sustain that product in the market. Therefore, that some of the components should be in the standard series, and those series are called as the preferred series. For example, the sizes of the ingots are available in the market having the standard sizes. A manufacturer does not produce ingot of sizes of his wish. He follow a definite pattern. For that matter, designers can choose the dimension from those standard sizes available. Because to avoid the monopoly, second thing is that it should be easily available in the market and third thing is that it should be the interchangeable product. Now, which are those sizes? How to decide which size I should manufacture? Which are the components whether I should use the preferred series, like a motor speed, engine power of a tractor, machine tool speed, and some of the different sizes for the different components are there. Now suppose there are some basic sizes are there, R5, R10, R20 and R40 is there. R means it is the preferred series, okay. Then R5 means 5 under root of 10, okay. The value will be as shown, it is a 1.58. R10 means 10 under root of 10, 1.26. R20 means it is a 1.12. R40 means 40 under root of 10 is equal to 1.06. Now see, these are the different sizes are there, R5, R10, R20 and R40 is there. These are the different values are there. Now how to evaluate the value? First value will be 1 into 1.58. Second value will be 1.58 into 1.58. Then third value will be the what are the value you obtain into the 1.58 for R5. Similarly for R10, R20 and R40 will be there. Now there are two basic terminologies are there regarding the preferred series. That is, two series are available, that is the basic series and derived series, which are the frequently used in the relation of the preferred numbers. Now which are the basic series are available? R5, R10, R20, R40 and R80 are called as the basic series. Then derived series are being derived from these 5 series. These are being modified, these basic series are being modified and these are being derived, these are called as the derived series. Now in other words I can say that is derived series are derived from the basic series or basic sizes. For example, now see these charts are there. I have shown charts for R5, R10, R20 and R40 is there. Now first value, suppose it is a R5, R10, R20 and R40, 111. First value. 1 into R5, what is value? 1.6. 1 into whatever value of R10, let us see what is value of R10, that is 1.26. The value will be 1.26 or 25 approximately. R20 and R40 is there. Now how the further values are calculated? That is 1.6 into 1.6, you will get a next value. 1.6 into the remaining value, you will get a next values are there. Now if you have seen between R5, R10, R20 and R40, they will get a much more options, much more variety of the products will be available for R40 compared to the R5. Now for that we solve some of the examples that will clear more idea for us. That is, find out the numbers of the R5 series from 1 to 10. Okay, the series R5 is established by taking a first number and multiplying by its series factor to get a second number. The second number is again multiplied by the series, you will get a third number again multiplied by the series, you will get a fourth number. For example, my R5 series is there, that means my 5 under root of 10, therefore that value will be equal to the 1.5849. now that first number is equal to 1 because it is ranging from 1 to 10. Therefore my first number is 1. Now 1 into 1.5849, I will get a second number. 1 into 1.5849 will be equal to the 1.5849. Approximately it is equal to 1.6. Then third number, this value into this value, that is 1.5849 into 1.5849, or rather I can say third number means 1.5849 minus raised to third number minus 1, that is raised to 2. I will get 2.51. Next one, fourth number, this into this raised to 3. This raised to 3, I will get 3.98. Fifth number raised to 4. Sixth number raised to 5. Finally, I will get a value is equal to 10. This is the simple example that we have solved by using a R5 series. Now to understand further, we will solve one more numerical based on that. Now for example, the numerical is says somewhat like this. It is required to standardize 11 shafts from 100 to 1000 mm diameter. Then we need to specify the diameters which are to be manufactured. Now what is the first step? First step is that in previous example a series is given to me. Now here I need to find out a series which is the best series for this type of application. Now lowest diameter is given 100 mm, maximum diameter is equal to 1000 mm. Now how to evaluate it? That is 100 into 5 raised to 0. 100 into 5 raised to 1, 100 into 5 raised to 2, 100 into 5 raised to 3, 100 into 5 raised to 10. Okay, then the maximum number is 1000. Therefore my value of 5 will be 1000 divided by 100 raised to 1 by 10. Therefore 10 raised to 1 by 10. Therefore series is 10 under root 2 10. That means it is a R10 series. In this way you can find out a series. Once you are going to find out the series from our table. Which is that table? This is our table R10. By using this table we can find out the values, that is 100, 125, 160 and whatever the dimensions will be there. Now here we have discussed the different preferred series. Okay, different, how to select a value, how to go for a smaller and smaller numerical or preferred series. Thank you.